Hey guys, it's Alex here, and I am making a video outside, which is cool and all. You guys like my new background? I'm El Gato. I'm gonna be playing with some Roblox. Okay. And guys, my profile is El Gato too. El Gato. Is that nice? Okay, let's go. We're gonna be playing airplane simulator. I am standing up right now and it's very uncomfortable. I'm gonna sit down. There we go. That's way more better. Okay. Anyways. Meow, meow, meow. Shop. I have a Boeing 740. I want to customize it. Oh, it's very windy. This looks perfect. Do I have enough? I do not. Yeah, I'll just buy some. And that's all I have. Yeah, I'm recording a video. Guys, my brother is here. My brother's here, guys. I'm recording a video. Okay, anyways, guys, let's go. One air traffic controller is watching me. It says it. That's pretty weird. Now, guys. You're gonna be flying to Iceberg's Greenland. What did you do, brother? If so, your plans will stall and will crash. That's funny. Yeah. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications to never miss another video. Write down in the comments El Gato, okay? If you don't, then I'll be mad. Also, guys, go join my group. I now have a group, too. I have a group today, right now. So go join it so that I could give you 3 Robux. And guys, big massive shout out to, I don't know their YouTube channel name, but they're my friends. Their names are Crystal and Chelsea, and big shout out to them. I watched their videos and they were so funny. You guys should see it, you know. Okay, gears. Cuda. My brother left, guys. Wait, no, I gotta go this way. Maybe V mode? What is that? No, I can't go. Oh, it's going to do. Guys, if you guys want to play with me on Roblox and other games too, like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications to never miss another video. And comment down your Roblox username so you can be in a video. Okay. What am I doing? Oh, never mind. I forgot I was doing. Wow. That's nice outside, guys. Okay, here we go. Way to run away. Looks like Iceland. Yeah. Guys. Oh wait, never mind. I keep saying compound stuff. Alright. Okay guys, now we're in. Okay, guys. Guys, how many of you guys like planes? I like planes a lot. That's why I have air in my name. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, I'm landing. Here we go, installing. Oh my god, I hate when my neighbors play music. It always annoys me. Okay guys, this might have been a short video. But don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications to never miss another video. Oh my, I'm stuck. And guys, remember, big massive shout out to Crystal and Chelsea for commenting down this video. Alright guys. Bye. Like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications. Remember, comment down El Gato. Goodbye.